Hi friends, hope you all are safe at home. So in this video we are going to show you how we have set up Mishika's room from scratch, and now it looks like this. So stay tuned till the end of this video as you may get really good ideas for setting up kids' room. And Mishika was super excited to see her room.
Like my room! I like my room.
Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you saw our last vlog where we went to IKEA and Mishika was very excited about her bunk bed. If you have not checked it, then please go and check that video. And you have already subscribed, that's good. And if you have not subscribed, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, Mishika and Mama's World. So we finalized our bunk bed from IKEA, and as you can see, this is the bunk bed, and it's called a Kura bed. And we ordered online actually. We just went and saw that what is going to fit into our this compact room. You know, we are living in Mumbai and the places here, the apartments are quite compact. So we were looking for bed which is highly compact and at the same time it will give space to the entire room. So we purchased this online, and IKEA has a tie-up with Urban Company and the carpenters had come to assemble the bed, and this is how it looks exactly. We had to purchase it separately, and it has a cover also with this. So this is the mattress. The details of the entire bed is on the screen. So basically it's a loft bed and you can see the stairs are there, and the main purpose of us to buy this bed was that we can utilize this place as well, because Mishika is going to play here most of the time. So it's more like a play area kind of a room for her rather than just for sleeping. So here I'm going to show how we are going to do the setup. Sometimes you have guests coming in, you can convert this as a bunk bed by putting a mattress. Yes, so let's start with the entire setup of the room. I am excited and Mishika is also very excited. And I hope you guys also love the entire setup. So let's start. So as you can see, the size of the room is very small. It's 10 into 11 feet. And the cabinets are white in color. And the color of the wall is pink. So Mishika loves unicorns. I think all of you know that. And her theme, she wanted like a unicorn theme. So we decided that we'll take the curtains which are white and pink. So we wanted the room to be very bright. It has a unicorn and a girl. So I've ordered these curtains online and you can find the link in the description below. So do check it out. And there are two different brands from where I have got these curtains. This one and this one is from Instagram. And again I'll share the details. It's more like a net, so it goes very well with the curtains. So here the bed is there, and just the opposite side of the bed we have got just this much of space. So we decided to make this as a study area. So there we can keep the table chair over here, and then we can do some decorations over here for Mishika which she likes. And so let's see, we'll do that. So these are very simple frames which I ordered from Amazon, which has very nice quotes. It has Supergirl in that. So you can do it, be curious, never give up, and the one is focus and win. So let's do it. I'll place it on the wall. So I have placed them, and I have something in the middle to put. That's the macrum mirror. So I'll just get it. This is again a unicorn themed macrum mirror which Mishika wanted to hang, and it's pink in color. This is the study area which I have created for Mishika. This is the table which I am placing here, and here are some electric sockets where she can charge her iPad and all the gadgets. Again, the table chair is pink and white in color, which goes in very nicely with the decor of the room. We have got some space left over here. I'm going to utilize this by keeping some stationery stuff and regular toys which Mishika plays in some storage box. So this is the IKEA trolley, which is very portable and handy. So all the stationery stuff of Mishika, regular use of crayons, sketch pens, everything can be kept in this. So we place it here. So this is again very cute and a nice storage box which we ordered from Amazon. It's multi-purpose storage box and it's very colorful at the same time. So in some we have kept Barbies. All the Barbies are there. There are the blocks, Lego blocks, and some stationery items. So whatever she is using on regular basis, she can just take it out from here and she is good to go. So we are done with the decoration of this side of the room, and now we'll switch to this side, the bed side. So this is the night lamp, and we are using here these no nails no damage sticker based decorating clips, and it holds very strong. So what it is like, a transparent clip, and we'll be using a tape over here which has got double sides, and this is how it sticks, so it's not visible at all. So here it is. And now I'll be putting a cloud watch over here. So this is a nice cloud watch, and this has been done in a rainbow color, and it says magical. Time to decorate the bed now, because we have picked up few pillows and some cushions from IKEA, from Home Center, and few of the malls. So I'll get that and then let's see how it looks. So all kids love Peppa Pig. So here it goes. This sun pillow, we got it from IKEA. There's the rainbow pillow. Goes well with the theme. Here is the blessed pillow which we got from Home Center. This is Mishika's favorite teddy bear, which has to sit over here. So how cool does it look? I am loving it actually. Let's see how Mishika is gonna react. So we are done with this part also. I don't want to keep it too much of the things coming in. And now we are going to do something down, so that where she can sit and play. So I'm just putting a carpet over here. So this is a place where she can sit, and I'm going to put some things over here as well. So this is a storage box which has few toys in it. She can remove it, play it, and then again keep it back. So it goes here. This is also a storage box which has soft toys in that. So here it goes. So I'm just decorating with these lights, something over here on the bed, so that in the night it will look very nice. So again I have used these clips which are not visible at all. So you can also use your child's pictures over here and put a clipper. That will also look very nice. We have this rainbow dream catcher which goes well with the theme of the room. So I'm going to place this here. It's pretty nice, and this is done. The entire bed setup is done. So I'll show you Mishika's cabinet, what's there inside. And the best part of this cabinet is we can use it as a whiteboard where she can draw and scribble and we can same time we can erase it also. So here we have all the books, Mishika's books. We have used this as a separator, and some soft toys over here, some puzzles, some sand play, and here are Mishika's hair accessories, and here are some books and art and craft. So this side is all about toys. This side is Mishika's wardrobe, where she has all her dresses, and here are the regular wears. Here are the winter wears, and some bags are kept over here, some traveling kit. And on the top we have some suitcase and some things which we are not using, we have stored it. Yes, I think we are almost done with the entire room, and I'm waiting for Mishika to come so that we can put few more things along with her. So this is Mishika's nameplate, which we are going to put at the entrance of the door, and this I have ordered from Dreamcatcher. Just placing the calendar over here. I guess now it's time to call Mishika and show her the surprise, and rest of the things I'm gonna put along with her. Mishika, can you open your eyes?
Oh, nice. I love it.
Go.
I want to see the room. Nice room. Nice. Now I will go somewhere nice.
So now can we get few more things for you?
Yay! We went to IKEA. You can check that video. And
So here is Mishika's bean bag, furry bean bag. Mishika always wanted this, right?
yes.
And here is gonna be and show your friends what's the surprise inside the bean bag.
It's my soft toy.
Show them. I need something from there. So instead of putting beans in the bean bag, we have put some surprise package for Mishika.
Soft toys.
So many soft toys are stuffed in here. Unicorn.
Yay!
You love your unicorn theme room?
Yes. Ooh, unicorn.
So these are the unicorn clippers for curtains. So the view outside is beautiful right now, and we are going to tie the curtains.
room. I like my room. I like my room. Nice, stylish.
So I guess this is gonna be the best place for Mishika to enjoy her room, right?
Yes.
And she can enjoy the beautiful view outside. What's the best part, Mishika? What you see every day, right? You forgot that?
Yeah.
Every day she counts so many flights coming in.
Yeah, and there's also one surprise that this is a whiteboard. I'll draw something.
Wow, I love it. That's Mom. And that's Mishika, right?
Yeah.
And here it goes. Magic. I love this. This is so multi-purpose, no?
Yeah.
And now Mama and Mishika are going to play something down. So the dollhouse goes here. And Mishika's stool goes here. And
Now we will play.
And this is Mishika's gift. It's a canopy.
Yay! Let's put it now.
We'll put it later. Let's see how it looks. I will show our friends how it is, okay? We'll make a separate video for the canopy. And let's see how the room looks when it is dark. So, how your room looks with these lights. Let's check it
What
out.
lights? I don't see any lights.
Coming.
What? Nice! I love it.
So, do you love your room?
I more than love it.
I'm coming up with you on the bed. It looks like I'm climbing train's berth. Okay, let's start the pillow fight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bye friends. I hope you like this video of Mishika's entire room setup because Mishika really loved it. And it just made my day because I really had put in a lot of efforts for her room. And the best part is she loved it. So I'm really happy. In case you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. I'll be really happy to answer all of your questions.
Actually, I need to tell you something. I more than loved my room when I saw it.
Yeah, I love you. Okay, bye for now. Like, share and
Subscribe!
bye. Enjoy.
Enjoy!